Hey there, so the fun begins. The panels have arrived. I'm just clearing out the floor for now. I've been trying to keep it kind of basic as much as I could because I knew that this day would come. And now that it's here, I'm just trying to find the time to do it quickly. But I think I'm going to start with the floor and then go to the walls and then the ceiling. The floor should hopefully go in fairly quickly, although I think I'll need some adhesive. So first thing I've got to do after I clear out the tools is remove the van rug, which is laid down pretty nicely and flat. Clean it, of course, just from all the metal scraps and stuff. Actually, though, I should take this opportunity to zip off the remaining rivets that are kind of hanging into the sheet metal. I need to check out the adhesive situation. Put that down and then put down the flooring. I'm not sure if I'm going to take the bed out for this. I'm hoping it can stay, although the removal is, I mean, theoretically pretty straightforward. It's just being held into the frame with 2 bolts on the D-pillars. And these legs aren't attached to the floor, but you might be able to see where there's a fairly good indent from the weight on the van rug, which has the mini cell underneath it. This will be a busy week full of videoing and swearing and sweating. We've got this Terra Wagon Wave portable air conditioner window vent. It's available for driver or passenger side. We decided to do it on the driver's side so that we can make use of that swivel seat without having the air conditioning hoses running out. But I did run it, at least for now, so that it runs alongside. I don't know if you can see this through the glass. And I have the Wave 3 sitting right here, right now, behind the driver's seat. Well, I'm kind of wondering if I should put the foam down, but I'm not sure. You want me to help you with this, or you got it? I got you, babe. So it drives in like an hour. Keep on my board, bird. You're right, it does drive very quickly. The nice thing about it is the water-based ones are supposed to be toxic. I don't know if we should.
Okay.
I wonder, well, I don't know if the glue will stick to it, but we can do it.
No.
It'll probably be fine.
No.
I don't know. Actually, I don't know where it goes. This goes in the middle. That lip goes over this. The good news is she didn't really fall completely and knock everything over.
Well, we'll be cutting all this out of the video.
You can just speed right through it, Karen. This next one, I'm wondering if we should glue the foam board down first, because the problem is that when we put it in, those legs are there.
Yeah.
So if we want to do it without taking the bed out. Nope. Come here. The foam will form around it, sort of more or less like this. So.
No, I didn't date him. I just made out with them.
Oh, whatever. I mean.
And I mean, like, amateur makeout. We just made a little snafu where this one and that one we think should have been flipped around.
Oh no, it's this goop here. Spooged on here. It's going to be covered up by that rug anyway.
Yeah, but it'll all be fine.
Good enough is our motto. Good enough is our motto.
As long as it stays down.
Good enough is our motto.
And on this one, so we painted the wrong side on this one. So now we have to paint the correct side.
And we probably should have flipped around the other 2 sides. It made sense though when that one was down, because I had the lip underneath, that this one would have the lip that goes this way, but this one and that one both have the lip facing up instead of down. And not only that, it looks like the wheel well kind of got in the way. I guess if I was more patient, I would have cut around the wheel well to give a little more space so that those 2 pieces could come together. But I can easily fix this with some plywood, 1/4-inch plywood trimmed to fit the area. So it's not the end of the world. I think that's.
Oh yeah,
I
you
just
need to
want to
pull
make
it
it tight.
just a smidge more.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Oh, it's even right now.
Excellent. Excellent. All right, so I guess we need to wipe this off and paint it. Mr. Popeil, I'm available. There's your assistance on the double. Now what am I supposed to do?
All right.
Oh, all right. Well, you managed to get that down.
Yeah.
Should have just glued it together.
Let's throw that away.
Oh no! Don't tell Mom.
Shh, don't tell Mom. Yay!
Yeah, in theory,
You
it's
gotta
easy.
Do a lot of oiling.
Not as much oiling as did he freak off.
I'm compressed. We know what we're doing exactly the way professional painter would do. So stay tuned. We'll keep going, and then we'll show you more to come. Because now we have to oil the rest of them. Stay tuned.
There's more to